Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a PR haul. I have lots of boxes here next to me that we're going to be unboxing in today's video, looking at all of the new makeup that's new at Sephora and at Ulta, so why don't we go ahead and dig in. Today was a very eventful day for me. I actually made a trip to Target with Rowan. It was my actually first time taking him by myself, like, to a store, and he did so good. I was like really anxious about it going in. I'm like, oh my gosh, what if he starts screaming? And he's almost a year old. Like, hello, I need to get my life together, start, you know, venturing out on my own. But anyways, so that was today. I'm gonna go ahead and start. We have a package from Hourglass up first. I've never gotten PR from them, so this is really exciting to get. I am very curious to see what is inside of here. This is kind of a bougie brand I don't often purchase from, just because they are a little bit more pricey, so I'm curious to see. So it says, Dear Ulta Beauty Collective. Oh, awesome. We are thrilled to partner with Ulta for you. The new Ulta Beauty Collective launched on Ulta.com November 15th and in stores November 29th. So cool. So they're actually going to be available at Ulta now. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, they sent over lots of products for me to try. So first up we have the Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This is actually something I have tried from the brands I do really like. So that's awesome to get. What else do we have in here? We have one of their Scattered Lights. Ooh, I've heard really good things about these. One of their Scattered Lights eyeshadows. The one they sent over is Ray. I want to go ahead and swatch this. I think my friend, I think it's Ashley Clady, who always talks about these. I want to say it's her. I know Samantha March really likes them as well, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. So this is the shade right there. I've heard that these are just like really pigmented, really foiled looking. So let's give it a swatch. Ooh, that is pretty. Definitely has like a pretty reflect to it. So again, that is the shade Ray. I want to put the topper back on it so it doesn't dry up. I always get nervous with those kind of products. I feel like when they come with like a little topper like that, I always just try to keep that in there. Okay, awesome. I'm excited because there's so many goodies in here that I've never tried. So up next we have in here the Veil Mineral Primer. This is one that I've never tried, but I've always been very curious about. So we have the primer here as well. And then moving along, we have the ambient lighting, oh my goodness, the ambient lighting palette here next. And this is one that I feel like everyone always raves about from them. And I'm really excited because I'll get to try more of their powders. It's been a while since I've tried those. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here is what that looks like right here. Very gorgeous. And in the inside of here you have the shade Dim Light, Iridescent Light, and Radiant Light. So I have tried one of their powders in the past, and to be honest with you, I didn't love it. But I feel like I wasn't thinking of it in the correct way. Like, I don't even know if you can really see these when I swatch them, but these are more meant for just kind of like that effortless, everyday type of palette. And I feel like when I was going in with them, I was expecting something that was like beaming, but that's not what I got with it. So I do think that it's something that I might like now that my preferences have changed a little bit. Okay, and then we have the Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara. So that's awesome. I think this is their new mascara that they just came out with. And then we have the Ambient Lighting Edit Brush as well. And then the last thing in here is the Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. Oh my goodness, the packaging, so cute on that. And the shade that they sent over is At Night. And it's this really pretty red shade. So very excited to see Hourglass coming to Ulta Beauty. That is amazing that they sent over so many goodies for me. So yes, excited about that. It's been really cool being a part of the Ulta Beauty Collective because I feel like I've gotten to try so many brands that I regularly wouldn't, either because they're a little bit more pricey or brands that I've actually never even really discovered I've been getting to try. So it's been really exciting for me. Because I've been out all day, I feel like my face is like so shiny. So let me take a little bit of that shine away. I've been using this Charlotte Tilbury powder for that, and I feel like it works really well, which is funny because I always said I didn't love this one, but for touching up, it's a great powder. Okay, moving on, we have this package here. This one is from Farrah Pro Makeup, which I believe is going to be Lashylicious. She is a beauty blogger that came out with her own lash line, so they sent over lots of different lashes. I've talked about these quite a bit on my channel and how much I like them. So the first one is Foxylicious. There's that lash right there. Okay, then we also have the Instalicious. I haven't seen these ones yet. There are those, very pretty. The lash band on her lashes are very comfortable, easy to wear. This one here, I don't see a name on this one, but here's that one. That's a little bit more. I like sometimes to use a separated lash. I feel like sometimes that's pretty to go in with. And then we have this one here. And then the very last lash right here is Fluffylicious. And this definitely has lots and lots of volume to that one. So really cool that they sent over more lashes for me. I'm excited to go ahead and get some use out of these. I actually have 2 boxes from Milani, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the first one and then we'll grab into the next one. These are their new blushes. I was hoping I would get these. I get some PR from Milani, but I don't get it all, so I always never really expect anything. I always just get excited when something arrives. Pause, Rowan just woke up, hold on a second. This sleepyhead just woke up from his nap. Look at his hair. He always wakes up with like the craziest hair. Did you have a good nap? We're gonna go ahead and continue the unboxing. You wanna play with some stuff? You wanna play with some mommy's makeup? Okay, so we were unboxing the Milani right here, and like I was saying, I never really expect PR packages to come, so I never know what's coming, what's not. There are some brands that I receive like all of their new launches, but there's a lot of brands that I only receive like some of it. So I always get excited when things that I've like hoping would show up, show up. This is full of little things here, so I think everyone's excited about that. So these are their brand new blushes. These are cream blushes. So it says buildable, never greasy, cheek to kiss cream formula infused with skin loving ingredients such as pomegranate, watermelon, and rose extracts, as well as vitamin A, C, and E. Awesome. So they're gonna retail for $8.99. They are available now. I went ahead and set him down so he can play, but we might hear him playing over there. But this first one is Nude Kiss right here. And then the next one that we have is Coral Crush. The next one here is Blushing Berry. And then the very last shade right here is called Merlot Moment. I think I'm gravitating most towards this nude one right here called, this one is called Nude Kiss. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it so we can see what it looks like. I have been getting more into cream products, so I was excited to see them coming out with these. And it definitely is like a smooth finish. Like they were saying, it turns to a powder. I definitely see that, how it is swatching. I feel like now it's already kind of dried down, so I think these will sit really nicely on the skin. I'm excited to try those. And let's go ahead and open the next Milani box. Okay, and then this next box is huge, but it has Milani stickers on it as well. Okay, and this one looks like it is a collaboration. And this is Milani X Orda, I believe is how you say it right here. Beautiful, oh my goodness. Looks flawless there on the cover. I always love to see fellow creators getting to collaborate with brands. That's always very exciting. Oh my goodness, so they came out with quite a bit of different products here. So it looks like we have 2 different bundles. So this first one here is the Monochromatic Realness Kit. So you have inside of there eyeshadow. It looks like you have a lip liner and then also a lip color. Very cool packaging on that one. And then you have this one, which is Up to No Good Kit. And this one has some fun purples in there, a little bit more of a nude lip product. And then we also have inside here, oh my goodness, there's so many products. We have some of their sponges. Ooh, I didn't know they had sponges. So I have a double set here of some sponges. Okay, we have this baked highlighter right here. It's in a bronze shade. And then we also have this other baked highlighter, more in an icy white shade. And then we also have a couple more baked products as well. So we have this one, and then this one here. We have the Illuminating Liquid Bronzer here as well. Okay, and then lastly we have the Make It Last Setting Spray. I haven't tried this before, so I'm excited to try that. I kind of want to swatch one of these highlights. I feel like I'm leaning more towards this pinky one right here. Love a good pinky highlights. I don't believe I've tried the baked formula of highlights before. I have tried the baked bronzers, and those are really pretty. I'm actually going to put this on because I actually don't have any highlight on today. Sometimes I've been kind of skipping on the highlight lately, but we can try this one out here because I don't have any on. That is definitely blinding. I like how pink it is. Like I said, I love a good like icy pink highlight. That is really gorgeous, especially for an affordable product. I think these retail for $9.99. Super cool. If you guys want to see a review on these sets here, let me know. I can definitely film that. I always love filming collaboration reviews, and these only retail for $14.97, so I could definitely do a look with like both of these if you guys are interested. Up next, we have something here from BASEBLUE Cosmetics. It looks like a Christmas package. So this says Merry Christmas. This is like my first little Christmas box, which I am excited about. So it says, Molly, thank you for all of your support. Wishing you a happy holiday season. So let's see what we have in our little box. They always have the cutest packaging. They have really nice sponges. I've used their sponges. Also, they just came out with a really cool bamboo brush. That is awesome as well. Aw, my goodness. We have, it looks like a little ornament. Oh, this is so cute. Aw, I was saying how they have really cute sponges. Look, it's like a little snowman in the ornament. That's so cute with like a little sponge there. Love that. And it looks like we have one more thing in here. And this is, I think, a bath bomb. Oh, it's actually a bar of soap. Nice. They have the cupcake soap too, if you follow me on TikTok. That was awesome. So here's this one. It's like a little star sponge. Super cute. Smells good. Smells like cake. Love that. Thank you, BASEBLUE. That was so sweet of them to send over a little ornament. I have a little tree that I put in my room. I'm actually getting ready to put it up, so you'll see it here in the corner in a little bit, but I'll definitely be sure to add that ornament to my tree. This next box here is from PIXI. They sent over some skin treats. So we have, looks like some items from their C line. So this first one here is a priming oil. I don't think I've tried that. Looks very sleek. It's in a glass bottle as well. We have the under eye brightener. That actually sounds really nice. And then we also have a lip brightener. And then the last one in here is a brightening perfector as well. I think this is a brand new line to them. If it isn't, I've never tried it. So super exciting to get some more skincare from them. I've been really getting into a lot of their products, which has been exciting for me. Okay, next we have a package here from Honest Beauty, and I think this is some skincare because they sent over these little towelettes here with it as well. So I'm thinking that means it's going to be skincare, which I've never tried their skincare. The only product I've tried from Honest is their lip products, and I really like those. Ooh, this is cute. You hear that? It sounds like water. Always love it when they have like a fun little touch like that. Ooh, this is textured too. Like the small details I feel like sometimes make a difference. So this is their brand new skin calming line. So this says that this is going to be great for sensitive skin. So if you're someone who deals with sensitive skin, this might be perfect for you. So the first product we have is the Daily Calm Lightweight Moisturizer right here. We also have the Calm and Perfect Serum, as well as, ooh, this is a cleanser. I always get excited about cleansers. The Calm On Foaming Cream Cleanser. And then lastly, we have the Calm and Go Face Mist as well. And then they also included, it looks like a really cute little headband in here as well, which is always nice for skincare. Really excited to try this line from them and give their skincare a try because I've never tried it. So that is awesome. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I do a lot of tutorials and skincare videos over on there. So I'll make sure to include this in a future video. My water bottle is telling me I need to hydrate. I've talked about, see it's lighting up. I've talked about this before. This is the HYDRAPARK. If you're looking for a good holiday gift, I would recommend that. It basically keeps track of the water you drink through an app on your phone, and it lights up when you need to drink more in order to reach your daily goal. I've talked about that. I love that. We have Mario Budescu up next here. They sent over lots of their misters. So we have, it looks like all 4 of the scents of those. So we have the rose one, which I've tried before, the cucumber and green tea. We have the chamomile and lavender, and then the last one is sage and orange blossom. Awesome. Thank you, Mario Budescu. This is nice to get. The next box I have is from MAC. They sent over their brand new Firework or the Frosted Firework collection. I actually put up a full review on this, so if you guys are curious on this collection, I can link that. But there are lots of products to this line. We have some very beautiful highlighters. There are limited edition lipsticks that have absolute beautiful packaging to them. I swatched all of the lipsticks in that video. We have some gorgeous eyeshadows as well, so I will link that down below if you guys are interested in this collection. We have this bubble mailer here from Palladio, and I think this is an eyeshadow palette from them. So it has 35 different eyeshadows in it. Here is what it looks like right here. Lots of brown, warm tones to it. Here's the front of it as well. Awesome. Have to get some use out of that one. Perfect for holiday season as well. Okay, we have a holiday set here next. This one is from Dermalogica, and they sent over, it looks like, some of their holiday sets. So the first one here is the Your Brightest Glow Yet. This one has their Biolumin C serums. So we have the eye cream and then also the serum in here. They always collaborate with an artist for the artwork on these collections, which I think is so cool. So this one right here is from, it says Jamie Wilkins, I believe is what it says. Super pretty. I love how the packaging looks on that one. And then we also have in here their Photo Replenish Body Oil as well. Okay, and then we have a larger version. So it looks like they sent over a little travel size and then also the full size of the body oil. The last set here is a bestseller set. I think these are the products they're most known for. So we have the pre-cleanse in here, the special cleansing gel, and then also the daily microfoliant, which is a really great exfoliator that's very gentle on the skin. I wish I could show you guys Rowan right now because he is making the biggest mess of my room. But one last box here I'm going to show you. This one here is from Fourth Ray Beauty. Okay, and this is their new face wipe. So this is the Daily Do-Over Makeup Removing Wipes that they sent over as well. So it says made from 100% plant-based fibers. Fragrance-free wipes are easy for makeup removal. They have cucumber in them and also aloe. So it says remove top closure and dispose of trash. Okay. Cool. So this is the last product we have for this PR unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. Let me grab Rowan so he can say goodbye as well. Can you say goodbye to your friends? Say goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care, guys, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these PR hauls, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Can I have a kiss? Mwah, I love you. Thank you.